Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can use the windshield wiper De-Icer in your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So in order to be able to use your windshield wiper or anything related to your windshield wiper, it's always gonna be in the right side behind your steering wheel. I'm going to give you guys a closer look. So basically guys, here are all of the buttons responsible for your windshield wiper, and if you want to use the De-Icer, it's pretty simple. All you need to do guys is pull this in your direction. So just pull it forward, and as you can see guys right here, it's going to work once you pull it. So just pull it and then let it go back to its place. If you want also to set modes for your windshield wiper, you can set it from here. As you can see guys, I set it to automatic. You can also adjust degrees like this. You can also adjust it to automatic, or if you give it a little pull or a little push in up, it's going to wipe just one time. You can also edit the mode automatic. You can make it more or less dependent on the weather. So I like to keep it on auto mode always, so when it rains it wipes automatically. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.